Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are replacing the filter, the oil filter. In the previous video where we were changing the oil, I was unable to open up that that filter. So today I got someone who loosened it a bit for me, so I'm just going to show you how we can replace the filter. Yeah, so we make sure you have this pan close to the filter, and then you need a wrench and this socket and the big wrench for the filter. So this is the wrench for the filter. Just turn it anti-clockwise. If it's loose enough, you can use your hands to take it off. So as you can see, it's dripping. Just turn it slowly. Don't take it out all at once. So here we have it out. So here's the filter. So the filter, just take it out. It's not too bad. I think it's been there for the last 10,000 miles. Doesn't look too bad. Make sure you also take the ring out. There's this ring just around this filter. Take this ring out, and then you can clean this gasket up. So always use a microfiber cloth for anything car related. Wipe it down completely. So I have this is the new filter. So when putting it back inside, don't over tighten it. You can see they clearly say do not. Some dealerships do tighten it up so hard, and that's why I was unable to take it off last time. The filter comes with a ring. That's why you need to take out the old ring. So this is the new filter. If you're doing it for the first time, you also have instructions here on how you need to put in your filter. Before you put in the new O-ring, you need to apply new oil around it. So make sure you have this ring, make sure it's straight and not twisted, and make sure you don't put it on top here. It has to go here. And then get the new filter and just put it inside. And now we put it back inside. Put in some oil and we'll be good. So before putting it back, we need to clean. Just wipe this place down. So make sure you don't over tighten it. I think that's good. And that's how you replace your oil filter. I'm gonna share the link down in the description for where you can buy this wrench, because you need this so you can take this out, and where you can get the oil filter. The link to the video where I replaced the oil, it's also going to be in the description, so please watch those videos. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment too. Thank you for always watching my videos. See you on the next one.